Hello, my name is Tricia and I am 25 years old. I am from Ireland and I have an undergraduate degree in education with Spanish, as well as a postgraduate degree in primary school teaching. I've been working in Scotland as a class teacher for 1 year, but I have been tutoring for about 8 years, preparing students for their state examinations in Spanish and Irish, teaching children beginners level Spanish, as well as teaching English as a foreign language through play classes for very young learners, straight through to conversation and grammar classes for adults. I've also worked as an infants teacher in a prestigious summer camp, as well as a class teacher in a refugee camp in Thailand for students aged 18 and up. I love travelling and learning languages, and I believe that it should be very fun and interactive. So I have no issue tailoring my lessons to my students' needs. I hope that you like learning a language as much as I do, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye!